going to be talking about the May 3rd, 1999, not Bridge Creek Moore tornado, but Hayesville, Kansas tornado. So, this was a very, very bad outbreak. It was a high risk. It was a high risk day. And this is what it looked like. But what we're going to be talking about is in Kansas. Because my house was hit by this tornado. The Hayesville, Kansas tornado. The tornado was a large, violent tornado that went straight through Wichita, Kansas. I use Tornado Archive, or TA, because it's we got 1974. We're not going to be talking about this tornado, though we do need to pay respects. Today, we're talking about the Hayesville, Kansas tornado. Tornado touched down right by this building. The tornado didn't really hit much, and I live right there. I was inside this tornado. This is very, very sad. This tornado is extremely sad. But it's because it killed a lot of people. And this is all I'm going to show since I don't have a lot of detail. But we need to remember it. Well, not by yet. Aren't any photos? Is it working? So this is just, there's a very large trough. It's this low pressure system all the way over there that isn't really flowing. That low pressure system caused the severe weather near Freeport, which was not very bad. See you guys tomorrow.